Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? All right, so you guys asked me, hey, what do you order a lot from, you know, what do I need to start up a little business or whatever? So these are the few things that I order a lot, that I usually find myself needing a lot. Now, right here, we got our package from American Key Supply, okay, you guys? So I'm doing a little unboxing for you guys to show you guys what I usually order from here. Okay. So I usually order a Rice Krispie, you guys. This is good when you're hungry. Anyways, let's get to the good stuff. Yes, this is where the money's at right here. This is where the money's at right here, you guys. You guys see what that says? Super chip. I ordered 15 of those. 15 of those, you guys. I find myself using these every time a customer needs a key. All right, what else did we order? Boom, 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 boom. KW1, you guys, some KW1s, 250. I always seem to find myself running low on those. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. H75, okay, for the Ford. Mechanical key. Dun, 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 dun. You guys, I always find myself needing more of these too. These are Y1 keys. I really don't use these a lot. I just ordered these because a customer kept bringing the same key over and over, and I asked to see if I had it. So there it is. All these, you guys. Oh my God, you don't know how many people come and ask for these type of remotes right here, because they have a Tahoe or Silverado or Suburban, the old kinds, you know, FCC LHJ011. They always come asking for these. I ordered 2 of those, so I should have another one in here. These, you guys, people hardly come in here, but when they do, I always recognize the same key. So this is one of those keys again that they always ask for, but I really don't need it in my inventory. Okay, you guys, so this is one that they usually make a lot of the TR40 for the older Toyotas. Okay, TR40. What else we got in here? Yes, you guys. Wire remote for the VVDI, the wired one. Okay, these are not the flippy ones, but the Hyundai style for the VVDI universal remotes. These are, they sell like butter and bread. There's another flippy right here. Same thing, you guys. These are really vital. These are universal VVDI wired remotes. Okay, connected to my VVDI, generate them. I ordered like a few of those, guys. There's some more of them. This one's a Ford one. This one looks like Ford, like newer. Excuse me, you guys. This one looks like the newer Ford one style. Flip key. Here's another one of those Toyotas, flippy. So I ordered a few of those. Those always come in handy, you guys. This is the other one they ordered, okay, on this style. Excuse me, you guys. It's cold over here, so some mucus. This key right here, I always run out of these keys. They always ask for these keys, okay. These are those Chevy ones, okay, B86, you guys. Batteries, these batteries, this is #1 selling battery that I always sell a lot. The 2032, you guys. 2032, really common battery. These are the ones that I sell the most, like I said. Let's see what else is in here. There's another remote for the Suburban, the one that I told you guys. They always ask for these remotes. This key, a lot of people come and ask for this key. The white K2, it kind of looks like the KW1, but it's not. Kind of looks like a little house. You guys get some of these. There's some more Chevy, B86, GM. All right. We also ordered some shirts, you guys. 3X locksmith shirts with the locksmith in the front and the locksmith in the back. Those big letters. I ordered 3 of these. I need some uniform, some nice uniform shirts. Little letters in the front. Sorry, you guys. So yeah, so I got 3 of those big shirts. If you guys want to take a better look at them, go to AmericanKeySupply.com and they'll be right there. These, you guys, M11, okay. They usually bring this key a lot, so I needed some more of these, you guys. M11, okay, master lock. Now, multifunctional keys. Yes, hold on the TR47, you guys. This is the most selling mechanical key ever. TR47. I can't just get enough. TR47, you guys. Order some of these. Always come in handy. Let's see what else we got. We got some flippies and some MFK, you guys. Multifunctional key blades. You guys. So this is one. These are the flippy keys to make for GM Chevy. Okay, you guys. These are like the B119 blades. HU100. Okay, so I can do those universal wired remotes for Chevy, GM. Okay, usually just get the little flippy thing, and then I'll put it on here, and then just program the remote and add a chip, transponder chip in there. Usually super chip, you guys. Super chip, clone their key, program the remote. I'll cut the key and then put it on there. So you always cut the key and then put it on here last. Don't put it on here and then cut the key, because you're gonna have trouble, you guys. So what else we got? Oh, we got the Ford HU101. So these are like for Ford Escape, you guys. Fiesta, same thing. You know, I usually just clone their key with the super chip. Generate this remote to the vehicle, program it, cut the key, and then put it on here. Okay, these are for like newer Fords, high security. And some more HU100. Okay, all right. Not sure if I ordered some more of these, but okay, thank you. Some MFK, you guys, multifunctional key. Okay, for Honda. Excuse me. So these are like for those older Hondas, you know, clone their key or whatever. There's two types. There's a Mega Most 13. There's a Phillips 46. So whichever key I need to make, I'll make it. Or I'll clone it. Multifunctional key. Make my own key, you guys. What else we got? TR47, you guys. Multifunctional key again for Toyota. We can use a G chip. We can use a dot chip, H chip. We can use a clone. Make my own keys with the key heads, you guys. These are the key heads that I use. Again, I have a video on my page. Check that out, you guys. Check it out. Check it out. These, you guys. So these are like for Hyundai flip keys, you guys. The Hyundai ones. You know those new Hyundai, I believe the Santa Fe, like 2014 or so. You know, we can do those. These don't have a transponder chip, you guys. All you gotta do is just generate the remote on your BBDI key tool to Santa Fe, Hyundai Santa Fe. Generate it, program it, and then you just cut your blade and put it on here, and it starts. No transponder required, just a remote portion. So I'm making these for the Honda Santa Fe's or any other vehicle that uses the same blade. This blade is, you guys, okay, that's the blade right there, HY18R or HY19. Excuse me, you guys, 5 pieces. So that's it, you guys. That's all we ordered. Just a few little stuff. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions of what your first inventory should be, of what you guys order a lot, anything you guys have, please leave a comment in the section below or email me at LILROX001. Until next time, you guys, take care.